I know where this one goes. Dude, that's so cool.
Snip, snap, pop.
Look, the cool part is that it's not 4 pieces, it's just 2.
Well,
because he broke this into a C channel.
Also, the slots are like bigger and shorter on like sides too, I noticed.
Wait, where's another one?
Who?
You want the springy clamps or the little twisty clamps?
You probably need everything for this.
I got these brand new ones, dude. Look at these guys. About as straight as you are, Jimmy.
What?
Look at this thing.
Oh, I'm fucking used to it. I know about it, and I was like...
See, what's awesome about this is it's got all these little slots and all these little bulkhead pieces
nice
are keyed.
Lip edge for...
Yeah, to lay a nice fat bead in there. And then, yeah, so everything's keyed. This is what we're just snapping into place. You can see them on this one. Little key, little slot. And so the whole car is like that. And this guy will slide in here. There it is. And then this guy, just like the other one, it's got the 3-sided key, long and a short. Short one's on the bottom, long one's on the top. So this guy will fit in here. Find your home. Oh, there it is. Now she's in it.
Excellent. As soon as I weld, it's gonna try and pull it this way, you know. Are we doing both sides? It depends on what it looks like when I flip it over.
Yeah.
If you can like see it through them, we're probably fucking good. Shit welds nice. It must be cold rolled. I feel like that'd be just a lot of time. And you are now one piece.
Oh yeah. First big piece. I was gonna drag the MIG over and this thing's like ready to start getting zip zapped. I'm gonna start clamping these guys in. So like I don't wanna go nuts in case we have to like take something apart.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, so I'm thinking just tacking it. So like this needs a little weight here to hold it down. But like these ones, like, so just like tack, 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 just like right, not on the buttons, but like right next to them so you can put an angle grinder in there for where you gotta pop it off. Fuck, I can do that already. I don't need you. I can tack. That's about it. It's just gonna be a big sloppy tack right in the way of your weld anyway. This is the bottom side, the lip is on the top side, and the shock mounts flare up. So yeah, we had it like on the other way first. I was like, whew, like this. Keep it hot. What? Get it.
The hammer.
Here's one. Uh-oh, something happened.
Is it through?
Seriously, just building a car out of a bunch of pieces of...
I know, this thing's gonna be strong as a bitch too.
Oh yeah.
These are gonna have to go in before, I think.
Oh, these might be those.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dog. They've got to go in. Those go inside there.
Well, they're different keys. Big key, big key,
Big key, big key.
big key, little key. Yeah, that one. Dude, Jimmy, look at that. So we gotta flip it
yeah.
too.
Yep. Does that fit? Whoa. Glasses off, though. Fucking smoking. Let's put it back, I guess. Oh, what's up, dude?
Oh, it's not the
Just trying to get inside.
trying to twofer here.
Trying to crack this code.